How to clear Reddit history. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can clear Reddit history. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to actually clear Reddit history, first of all, if I just open the Reddit application on my phone, as you can see over here, and I'll watch a couple of videos right in front of you. So I'll just select this video, I'll scroll and then I'll watch another video, I'll scroll and then I'll watch another video as well. And now if I want to show you, I'll just tap on the profile icon and I'll go to history. Then you'll be able to find all my history, right? And then if I want to clear it, all I need to do is just tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side, then go to settings from the bottom right. Once you go to settings, look for the option called clear local history. As you can see here, this trash icon as well. So let me show you properly. Here you can see clear local history. Just tap on it, tap on clear local history, and your history is going to be successfully cleared. This is how you can clear Reddit history. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.